Welcome to X-treme Cleaning Power. Our cleaner and degreaser X-treme is the ultimate spot cleaner for grease, oil, tar, gum, rubber, and paint. CDX can be used on almost any surface, including pavers, natural stone, wet cast, concrete, brick, color, or stamped concrete, and masonry. You'll see the ease of use and power of CDX as we walk through our easy 4-step process. Step 1. Climate. Recommended application temperatures are 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Apply. Apply to surface and allow solution to penetrate stain. Let soak 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Scrub. Scrub surface with a stiff bristle brush. Step 4. Rinse. Use a pressure washer multiple times to remove residue. An SRW general purpose cleaner should be used prior to sealing. To learn more about this product and our other specialty cleaners, visit our website, srwproducts.com.